Yo, Wagwan, I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a pretty amazing music theory hack that's going to make it very easy for you to create melodies and make sure that you're always in key. Now, this is something that's built straight into FL Studio and it's going to save you a lot of time. I know there's a lot of people that will show you to basically create scales and open up a sampler track and copy it over and over and all that sort of stuff. You don't need to do that. This is much quicker than that. You're going to be able to do this within 10 seconds of opening up a new project. Now, if you don't know who I am, I'm Cartere from jcartere.com, teaching you how to be better at music, marketing and online business. And this is the #1 spot for creatives and musicians that don't want to be starving artists. So if that sounds like you, click subscribe, stick around, check out the rest of the content on my channel. This is the place for you to be. Now, before we get into it, I just want to let you know that I've got 10 free loops for you to download. If you didn't know, link is in the description, or go to jcartere.com/free loops. So just go to jcartere.com. There should be a link up here, or if you go to free stuff, you can find all the great free stuff that I'm offering over there. But let's get into this video very quickly, because I don't want to take up a lot of your time. I want this to be quick, straight to the point, so you can start using this. Now, we're gonna open up, we've got FL keys over here. Let's jump into the piano roll and I'll show you exactly how to use this trick. Now, here our piano roll is in the key of B minor. So if we was to put notes down, it would all come out in the right place. Now, in order to do this, we need to click on this button up here, go to helpers, go to scale highlighting, and here we can pick the root note of our key. So we can pick, B, A, whatever key we want to do. Let's pick C sharp minor. No, let's do C minor. We pick C, and then we go to helpers again. We go back to scale highlighting, and then we can pick the minor. We would usually go with either minor natural or minor harmonic. You can go minor melodic, but I like to go with minor harmonic because it gives us that diminished 5 chord. If you don't know what that's about, don't worry, I'll make some videos in the future getting more in depth about chords and all that sort of stuff. But for now, we're just going to pick minor harmonic, and as you can see, this is right when it highlights the correct note for the root note of your track. So it lets us know that C is our root note. It's always highlighted, and on this piano roll, all the notes that are white and not grayed out are the notes that are in the scale. These are notes that are in key. So if you put notes on these then it will all be correct and it will all work pretty well. So we can just fling notes wherever, though I wouldn't suggest making a melody like this, but here we go. We can just do that, and if we play it, it's gonna sound okay. It's gonna sound in key, and if we move a note, you'll see how it can sound really off. So let's listen back to this. If we had some bass notes coming in, that will actually sound a bit interesting, but this is a boring melody anyways. But if we move just one of these notes in the wrong place, so if we move this to one of the grayed out notes, you can hear how it really will just sound whack. See? Actually, that doesn't sound too bad, to be honest. Like that could work. Yeah, but you can hear it sounds off. It doesn't sound right. It doesn't sound how it's supposed to be sounding. Now, you can basically do this, and then you won't have to create your like a sampler track and mute it and do this whole long thing that people have probably been showing you to do. This just takes a little while if you're going to do this and copy it over and do all that sort of stuff. I personally don't do this every time I get into a session, because that would just be long. The easy way to do this is to press shift to copy it, click on it, and then control up and do all that sort of stuff, and then you've got the whole thing. It is easier to actually see these notes when you do it like this, so keep that in mind. And also another thing that you might want to use is if you go to this up here, this stamp, you can actually create you can actually go to minor, harmonic, or whatever, and just stamp it down here, and then this will just stamp down all the notes in that key. Is this correct? Yeah, this is perfectly correct. And then shift, click, control, up, and you can keep on doing that to get through the whole thing. But I wouldn't do that because it just takes longer, and you got to create another track and all that sort of stuff. But if you want to do that and you're finding difficulties seeing the right notes when you're actually trying to, you know, make your melodies, then this is another way to do it. But I just wanted to show you that quick hack so you could just jump in, highlight the right scale and get it moving. Just pick a scale and move forward in that. I hope this video has helped you out. Remember, if you haven't done so already, you can go and download 10 free loops to use in your next music production. Go to jcartere.com/free loops, download those, let me know what you think about it, make some music with it, send me the music, let me hear it. I want to see what you come up with. I want to see what you come up with. And question of the day is, how do you make it easier for you to make melodies? Do you use any of the methods that I've shown you in this video, or have you used another method, or is this just completely new to you? Let me know how you've been doing stuff so far. Maybe you're just good at music theory and you're watching this video for some weird reason to just check it out. Let me know in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next video where you'll learn more about music production, marketing, or online business. Peace out.